Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. My name is John. I'm the Client Affairs Manager for the firm, and I'm a practicing British and international lawyer and member of the International Bar Association. All of our team here are registered Thai lawyers, barristers, attorneys, accountants and consultants. Our offices are conveniently located just by Big C, Pattaya, Thai. We're here for all of your legal and accounting needs in Thailand. Now today this is an update as to recent changes in laws from the beginning of the year, your digital footprint, your digital security, and how you can get yourself into trouble in Thailand through things that were once covered as a nuisance or a low-level crime that are now actively enforced as criminal matters in their own rights. And what am I talking about? Quite simply, the unseen dangers in your pocket. When people think of legal trouble in Thailand, they usually think of physical brawls, altercations, traffic accidents, and crimes associated with such matters. But today, the fastest way for a tourist or an expat to get into trouble in Thailand is basically by using your phone or computer. Why? Because quite simply, your digital footprint is there for everybody to see. And in particular, messaging apps, Facebook, WhatsApp, Line, public forums, public discussions, and so forth. This is how you can get yourself into trouble very, very easily. So, whether it's Line, WhatsApp, Tinder, a heated argument or unsolicited message is no longer just internet drama. Under Thailand's strict, modernized criminal rules, a single inappropriate digital image or interaction can trigger a devastating criminal investigation. So it's gone from being a nuisance to a major crime. For years, online harassment or sending lewd messages in Thailand fell under minor public nuisance laws, resulting in small, negligible fines. That has completely changed. Under the recent amendment to the Penal Code number 30, sexual harassment is officially an offence in its own right. And the law explicitly states that this includes communication via computer systems and electronic devices. So it's a major criminal offence to send any message, sound, or image that has a sexual implication if it causes the recipient to feel ashamed or humiliated, distressed or fearful, or unsafe in terms of their sexual safety. This means sending an unsolicited explicit photo, sexting without consent, making graphic comments about someone's body in a private chat, or continually messaging someone who has told you to stop and is no longer wishing contact. It's no longer just a civil dispute, it's a cybercrime. Now, the Thai courts and judiciary are now enforcing this rigorously, and they're doing this based on the level of the harassment and the act itself. So level 1, one-off, unsolicited, lewd messages or explicit images in a private chat. Up to 1 year in prison and or a 20,000 baht fine. Level 2, continuous stalking. Repeatedly messaging or following an account after being blocked or asked to stop, which is disrupting private life. Up to 2 years in prison and or 40,000 baht fine. Level 3, online harassment. Posting sexual comments, public shaming or explicit media on social media, Facebook, TikTok, X, Tinder, etc. Up to 3 years in prison and or a fine of 60,000 baht. Now, if any of these cases involve someone of 15 and below, it's an automatic 5 years prison and or 100,000 baht fine. So, where expats and tourists get trapped most is during dating disputes. Imagine a brief relationship and it goes sour. In a moment of anger, you send a message, a threat, an intimate photo out of spite. This is landing you in trouble. You have your digital footprint, and importantly, complainants and victims now can apply directly to the court online for an immediate cease and take down order that basically records the complaint, files it with the court orders the takedown, and the media is taken off. However, you breach that, and then you face additional punishments for breaching a court order. So it is actually a very, very serious position to be in. So in the heat of the moment, when you may think it's a good idea, potentially after a few beers, or you're upset with the relationship or what's gone on. Take a step back. That moment of pure unthoughtfulness can land you in so much trouble. And we see this being enforced in the police stations and in the courts every day. And it's generally a lot of foreign nationals that are falling foul to it because they may think it's just a one-off, it's just a comment, it's private. Well, actually, it isn't any longer. So, consent is contractual. You must have someone's consent to do something. If you don't post. Block and walk rule. It's easy. If you think you're going to get into an argument or a situation that could land you in trouble, block and walk away. It's the only safest way to do things. Now remember, these punishments, even at the basic level, up to 1 year in prison. Remember, if you get a sentence, suspended or otherwise, of 31 days or more, you can be deported and blacklisted from Thailand. So for a simple argument, a simple text or message, it can seriously land you in trouble. We're putting it out here because we don't want to see you in trouble, but we often see people in the police station who require assistance or in court to manage these matters. Think before you do anything. If something has happened and you need assistance, our award-winning, dedicated English-speaking team are here for all of your legal needs. Drop us an email, pop in and see us, come and say hi. I hope this has helped. I hope this clarifies the area of law. We do these to update you, our clients, and the expat community so that you stay safe and trouble-free in Thailand. Thanks for watching. Give it a share, give it a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook and on YouTube. It really helps. Speak soon.